Class 10th, exercise 3.3, question number 1. Question number 2, part 2nd. 5 years ago, Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. 10 years later, Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. How old are Nuri and Sonu? Let present age of Nuri be X. Let present age of Sonu be Y. Let present age of Sonu be Y. Since we do not know their ages, so we can take present ages as X and Y. Now 5 years ago. So 5 years ago, their ages would be 5 years ago. Age of Nuri would be X minus 5. Nuri age would be X minus 5. And age of Sonu would be Y minus 5. But it is given 5 years ago, Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. 5 years ago, Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. So we can write this equation as X minus 5 is equal to Y minus 5, and who is 3 times? Nuri is 3 times. So if Sonu is 10 years, Nuri is 30 years, because 3 is 3 times, and we are using equal to sign in middle. So to make it equal, we have to multiply age of Sonu by 3, because we are using equal to sign. So now both would be equal. If this is 30, that would also be 30. That was just for using the example. So x minus 5 is equal to 3y minus 15. And we take it to one side. X minus 3y minus 5 plus 15 is equal to 0. So that would be x minus 3y plus 10 is equal to 0. That is one equation. Now there is second statement. This is first equation. Second statement says 10 years later, Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. So after 10 years, 10 years later means after 10 years. 10 years later, so age of Nuri would be X plus 10, because right now her age is X. It would be X plus 10. Age of Sonu is Y plus 10 after 10 years, because present age is Y. Twice, Nuri is twice. So 10 years later, Nuri is twice. Nuri will be twice the age of Sonu. So we can write this equation: X plus 10 is equal to Y plus 10. But this X plus 10, if this one is 10, then this is 20. Nuri is 20, because she is twice. So to equalize it, we have to multiply right hand side by 2. That is, age of Sonu should be multiplied by 2 to make them equal, because we are using equal to sign. So X plus 10 is equal to 2Y plus 20. Now X minus 2y, 2y goes to that side, left side, so it becomes minus 2y plus 10 minus 20 is equal to 0. So this would be the second equation. X minus 2y minus 10 is equal to 0. This is our second equation. So what we are going to do, we are going to write down these two equations together and then solve them. So x minus 3y plus 10 is equal to 0. That is first equation. X minus 2y minus 10 is equal to 0. This is second equation. If we use, this is first, this is second. So in both these equations, we can solve them using elimination method. For elimination, we have to subtract equation 2 from 1, so that x and x would get eliminated. X and x would get eliminated. So if we are subtracting, the signs would change. X, it was plus, so it would become minus, so it is 0. Then minus 2y becomes plus 2y, minus 10 becomes plus 10. So if we solve them, it is minus y plus 20 is equal to 0, because minus 3 plus 2 is minus y, plus 10 is 20. So minus y is equal to minus 20, or y is equal to 20. Now we have to put this value in any of the equation 1 or 2, whichever is simpler. So we put this in equation 1. Equation 1 is x minus 3y plus 10 is equal to 0. So x minus 3 into 20 is 60, plus 10 is equal to 0. So x 10 minus 50, that goes to right side, x becomes 50. So x is 50. So age of Nouri is 50 years, age of Sonu is 20 years. Nouri age 50 years, Sonu age is 20 years. Question 2, third part. The sum of the digits of two-digit number is 9. Also, 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digits. Find the number. Let digits at ones place be x. Let digits at tens place be y. Digit at tens place be y. Sum of the digits x plus y is 9. X plus y is equal to 9. So this is the first equation, because sum of the digits is given. So x plus y is 9. Now it says 9 times this number. So first of all, we have to find what is the number. Ones place we put x, in tens place we put y. So the number would be, in tens place we multiply by 10. So that is 10y plus x. Because if it is number 32, so this number is 10y plus x. If number is 32, we have to obtain it. Then how we obtain it? It is 3 into 10 plus 2. It is not 3 plus 2, because 3 plus 2 would just be 5. So to obtain two-digit number 32, we have to write 3 into 10 plus 2. Same way here. The tens place was y, so it was 10 into y plus x. This is the original number. When we reverse the digits, so tens place would be ones place and tens place. Ones place would become y and tens place would be x. So the new number would be tens place multiplied by 10, that is 10x plus y. This is the new number. It's a two-digit number, 10x plus y. Now condition is 9 times the original number is twice the number obtained by reversing the digit. So we can make the equation 9 times the original number. Original number is 10y plus x is equal to 2 times this number, the new number that we have obtained, that is 10x plus y. Now we simplify it. 9 into 10 is 90y, 9 into x is 9x, is equal to 2 into 10 20x, 2 into y, 2y. So 90y, and we take all this to left hand side, so it becomes 9x minus 20x plus 90y minus 2y is equal to 0. 9x minus 20x is minus 11x, 90y minus 2y is 88 plus 88y is equal to 0. Now if we want to make this equation simple, then we can divide it by 11, because we can divide or multiply whole equation by any number. So if we divide this whole equation by 11, it becomes minus x plus 8y is equal to 0. This is our second equation. So first equation was x plus y is equal to 9. X plus y is equal to 9, that was the first equation, and this one is second equation, minus x plus 8y is equal to 0. Now we can add these, because if we subtract, then minus x would become plus x, that would be 2x. So if we add, x would get eliminated, so that is elimination method. 0, y plus 8y is 9y is equal to 9, or y is equal to 9 upon 9, that is 1. So value of y is 1. We can put this value in any of the equation. If I put this value in equation 1, equation 1 is x plus y is equal to 9. So x would be 8. So y is equal to 1, and put this value in any equation. Put y is equal to 1 in equation 1. So equation 1 is x plus y is equal to 9. X plus 1 is equal to 9. 1 goes to right side, that is 9 minus 1 is 8. So our digit is, so our number is, so our number was, we had ones place and tens place. In ones place we had x, in tens place we had y, so it is 81. So the new number is, so the original number, that is 81. Question number 2, fifth part. Lending library has a fixed charge for first 3 days and additional charge for each day. Thereafter, Sarita paid 27 rupees. So let fixed charge be x for 3 days. If you are keeping book for 3 days, there would be only x charge. But there is also per day charge after that, which can be taken as y. For Sarita, she has paid 27 rupees and she has kept book for 7 days. Sarita kept book for 7 days. So for 3 days she does not have to pay, she has to pay just x, that is fixed charge. So it would be x plus left, 4 days are left, then 4y. For 4 days, if one day it is y, then for 4 days it would be 4y is equal to 27. That is the first equation. And other student Susie paid 21 for the book she kept for 5 days. Susie kept book for 5 days. For 3 days she has already paid, that is fixed charge of x. So days left are 2. So the equation would be x plus 2y, because she has already paid for 3 days x charge, that is fixed, and per day charge is y. So for 2 days it is 2y is equal to 21. So this one equation, and this is second equation. First equation, second equation. Now we can write them down and use elimination method to solve them. X plus 4y is equal to 27. X plus 2y is equal to 21. If we use elimination method, we subtract equation 2 from 1. equation 2, because if we add x and x would become 2x. If we subtract, sign would change for equation 2. If it is plus, it becomes minus. If it is minus, it becomes plus. So it is 4y minus 2y is 2y, and 27 minus 21 is 6. 2y is equal to 6, or y is equal to 3. To find x, we have to put y is equal to 3 in any of the equation 1 or equation 2. So we are using this in equation 1. Equation 1 is x plus 2y is equal to 27. X plus 2y, x plus 4y is equal to 27. So x plus 4 into 3 is equal to 27. X plus 12 is equal to 27. So 12 goes to that side, to right side, it becomes 27 minus 12, that is 15. 27 minus 12, that would be 15. So the fixed charge is 15, that is for 3 days, and per day charge is 3 rupees per day. Per day charge is 3 rupees per day. Fixed charge is rupees 15, and per day charge is rupees 3. Per day charge is rupees 3.